All right, guys, here we are in the cab with Levi in Oklahoma, summertime, and we are in a John Deere 6155R, and behind us we've got hooked up to us a John Deere 569 round baler, and we're in an alfalfa field that fixing to finish up, baling up. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna hit on a little bit of the 569 round baler. Now, we have gone over this in another one of our videos when we compared the John Deere 569 round baler to the newer John Deere 560M round baler, and I'll put that video right here above. But the 569 round baler and the 560M, not a lot of differences. A lot of guys have really liked the John Deere 569 round baler. They started production in 2013 up until 2017, and really the balers pretty much, if you watch the video between the 569 and the 560M, the baler's pretty much the same functionality wise. So it's been a baler that's been very good for many years. But anyways, I'm in here with Levi. He's going to show us a little bit about the 569 round baler and the controls, how to run it. So anyways, let's get going. Thanks Levi for letting us jump in here with you.
Yeah, no problem.
And so how long have you had the 569?
This will be my third season. Run it, yeah.
And before that, what did you run?
We had a New Holland.
New Holland. Yeah. So what are the differences between this 569 and New Holland? And what model of New Holland, do you remember?
It was a BR 788. It had the twine and net wrap, and this only has the net wrap, but I don't ever twine nothing anyways. But the main difference is a feeder. Like in this field, we used to plug up a lot of, when we had really thick alfalfa, we would slip the clutch, plug it up a lot on the end rows where it would get thick and kind of wad up. And the 569 has done really good at feeding. It just feeds really well. Good thick hay, and never have a problem with it. That's like the number one thing. That, and I think we got 3,000 bells on it, and we haven't really done nothing to it. So yeah, I just turned it on. Here's your on and off switch. I think I'm setting that. Your counter right here, it shows your 3149s where I'm at on bales, and then if you hit it again, it shows your how many I've baled so far.
In this field?
Yeah, in this field, and I reset it every time. Yeah, the controls are really simple on this. You got your manual wrap, the wrap if you want to kick out, if you're not, if you need to kick a bell out, like you're done with it and it's not hit wrap yet, and then you got your...
Is that typically like at the end of the job?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Or if you want it, for some reason you wanted to just bell up a small bale or something like that, or you were just, if you're, my bell set, so like you have your bell size right here. I got mine at 68, and it's really simple. It's really simple. You just hit the button and just hit your plus and minus.
So tell me about that. I mean, for the guys that don't know much about balers watching this video, what's that 68 mean?
Well, that's a 68-inch bale, is what it is, and it goes to 72. Hit the wrap button. It goes to you can go clear to 72, and we always leave it at 68 because that's a really big bale, 68. And then at 64, I believe it hits like when you're rolling hay in it at 64, it'll chime to let you know that it's almost full.
Okay.
And so you can kind of keep an eye on it and slow it down and watch it, and then at 68 it just wraps it. And if for some reason you were at the end of the field and it was 66 and it hadn't hit 68, well then you just hit the wrap button
at the end of the field. So it's all together. Okay.
Yeah, really simple. That's about the only button on here you use, because this, like I said, this machine, we didn't get it with twine, because nobody twines no more, so all we use is edge over, and so that's basically it.
Great, awesome. Well, I want to keep you. Let's get to rolling this alfalfa.
Yeah, no problem. So it hit
so that means it's 65 inches.
Yeah, it hit 64 to like give you a warning, and then.
Do you typically slow down?
No, I just kind of like. Usually, what happens is like 67, I'll start kind of getting my foot on the clutch, because I know like 67 and a half. Like you know it's fixing to wrap. See?
So when it's wrapping, it'll beep, and then
Yeah, just like that. And it's and you just kick her out, eject it.
and so it ejects automatically.
No, you have to manually eject it.
So you do it right there.
Yeah.
And then the hitches go down.
Shut the gate and then see how it went from the gate open to the gate closed icon?
Yep.
Take off. This will be bell and a half, bell to bell and a half an acre hay. So it's not super thick, but it's still pretty good hay. Like the first, because of the rains and stuff, we couldn't get in our field. The first cutting on this place made almost 3 bales an acre, which is like stupid thick hay. And so we were kind of raking it right, thinking about and trying to worry about how it was gonna, because the windrows were so big and we spread them out real far, and that's where like this baler shined. Like in the 3 bale an acre hay, it just chewed it up.
And so tell me, like, in comparing this to your previous New Holland, if you were going through that 3 bale an acre, tell me the differences of like.
Well, it wouldn't, like in that thick hay, and the New Holland was a good machine, but where the John Deere would beat it was the way it would feed, and I noticed that like sometimes if you kind of like turn in the corners and stuff, the New Holland would skip a lot. Like you could tell it wasn't as wide. Like that mega wide really is, like it really does. It just picks itself up, and it's got, if you look inside, it's got augers on the ends that help feed it. So if you kind of get off center, if you get into this really wide windrow, like we had windrows so wide that we were actually just straddling them, like just all we could do to just keep it between our tractor tires, and it would still just feed it like nothing.
And what about, the bulk of the height of it with the New Holland? Would it get plugged up more, or would it get?
Yeah, they all have their issues with the height because it drags on the drawbar. But I'm not running it right now. But this 569 come with a. It's like, I call it a mud flap. It's just a mud flap with a thing about 2 foot long and 2 foot wide that hangs from your drawbar. And when we were running into the really good hay, we were running it, and it was keeping it from getting caught up in the drawbar and the hitch pin. It would just kind of roll over and push it down. Yeah. And then, like I said, that roller packer, it don't make sense to me because it don't look like that roller packer does as good a job as it should, but it does. It pushes the hay down, and that's like prepping it before it hits the feeders, I think, is what kind of helps it feed so well. So yeah, we built a lot of really thick hay this spring because of the rains and stuff. We had some wheat hay that made 3-4 bales an acre. Had grass hay that made 2.5 bales an acre. Like, and it just been running pretty good. Feeds it good. Feeds the thick hay really well. Yeah, we built this field last night, late, and it got humid. It got humid on us in kind of a dew setting, so that's why I'm building this morning. And I'm kind of running out of time, but that's the way alfalfa is.
So how long of a window you take? Is it just
the humidity? The humidity is supposed to be over 50%, is what they say. And we're at about 55, 60 right now. Still, it's been humid weather this summer, so I've kind of been lucky for a bale of hay. But it got humid pretty quick last night, so we're just trying to finish it up to get to the next one today. And I'm running. That is one thing about this 569. I don't know. I'm running at 1,800 RPMs at 8 mile an hour right now, and not even looking back. And usually you can do that on a good smooth field. It'll just eat it as fast as you can go. So that is one thing I've known. You can go hay pretty fast and go around hay in this thing. Yeah, there's a wrapping icon. Beeps when it starts and beeps when it's done. Tells you to eject it. It's pretty simple.
Levi, what do you swap this with?
We have an old 4895 sickle head machine.
How long do you have that?
Oh gosh, it's bought it new. It's about, I think it's got 1,600 hours on it. It's a pretty low hour machine, but I think it's, golly, I don't know how when those things came out. We've had it for 7-8 years at least. It's a good machine.
You know, one thing that's surprising me. It's surprising is how clean the fields are. I mean, how well these things pick up. It's just there's hardly nothing in the field. I mean, it looks like the yard that you mow a yard. It seems like it.
Yeah, no, it picks it all up. It does really good. It never starts reading until it hits like 25 or 30, something like that.
Okay.
It'll start reading here in a minute.
25 or 30 inches.
22 and a half. Okay. Yeah. And so see, like it's showing that my left bale's.
Okay.
So you want to get over and try to feed it more on the low side.
Okay. So you continually go, left and right on the.
Yeah, I mean,
on the windrow.
it's hard to chase that monitor sometimes, but usually you kind of zigzag.
Yeah.
This hay's a little thinner because it's a third cut, but like when it's see how like it's showing me to be heavy on my left side, kind of. So like I said, if you usually just kind of with the windrows, you'll even it out.
Yeah.
And it feeds good, even if I do get it like not paying attention or something, and I get heavy on one side, the baler always seems to make it level itself out pretty good. They don't build lopsided bales very often. So I have my baler set at 68, and I just finished the field, and my bale's at 60.
Yeah.
And so let me slow down here. I got the PTO running, everything's running. I just hit the wrap, and it just wraps it. See, wrapping started icon. It just wraps it, and so you can wrap them whenever. Like I said, you hardly ever finish on a full bale, and then just kick it out and you're done. Makes a 60-inch bale is what it was. Yeah, you can see it's a little smaller. See it?
Yeah.
I knew how to fix that New Holland, but this John Deere, we went like 3,000 bales and we never had a problem with it. And finally, I plugged it up with some grass hay one day and broke the chain on it. And that's like the only thing. And I called up there to Western. They told me the chain links. I put it on and I finished baling. It wasn't a big deal. Got that work pretty quick. So, and this is some really good hay right here. This is just a little 15-acre patch. It does really good.
So Levi, talk to me about this alfalfa. So after you swath it, do you typically come back and rake it?
Yeah, let it cure out. We raked this yesterday morning, and then started baling on it last night, and trying to finish it today. So yeah.
Does it typically dry out that fast?
No. When it's 100 degrees, it dries out pretty fast, but it usually always takes a couple of days to dry out. Yeah, in the fall or in the spring and stuff, it'll take 4 or 5 days to cure out. Yeah, it's at 69 wrapping it. It's set at 68, but it always sucked a little bit in. That's my 33rd bale, I guess. It always tells you when it is. How many?
And so now, after you plant alfalfa, because I know you said it's a big investment, how long does the alfalfa stay good in the field? I mean,
it'll stay good. We're hoping 7 years, 7-8 years. So that's kind of what we hope. If you have a good clean field, they can stay longer. What happens is we keep it clean, spraying Roundup on it, but after 6 or 7 years, a lot of weeds start getting kind of resistant to the chemicals, so they'll start growing. But it ain't no big deal. You can have weeds in the hay. We just feed it to cows. We don't sell them to bars. We keep most of it for ourselves. Feed them. Got some mama cows. So this is a
here, you mentioned that it was you just planted this field.
Yeah, it's we planted it last fall. It's a third cutting of a new alfalfa.
How many cuts every year do you typically get in Oklahoma here?
4 to 5.
4 to 5.
Depends on the moisture and the weather.
And so now this alfalfa, how long does it last in this field before you have to replant it?
You usually get, this is Roundup ready alfalfa, so it'll stay clean. So maybe hope to get 7 years out of it.
So when you're saying Roundup ready, for people that don't know, I mean, is it? So
yes, you can spray Roundup on it over the top of it to kill the weeds out of it, so you can keep it cleaner for longer. Yeah, so it does pretty good. Better hay quality when you have.
So are there many people doing non-Roundup ready?
It's a pretty expensive investment to see, but there's a lot of kind of
The Roundup ready is expensive.
Yeah, but I would say there's still probably, I don't know. I've talked to friends and stuff. There's kind of an even split on if they want to put it in or not.
So the people that don't do non-Roundup ready, I mean, what do they do to get rid of the weeds for weed control?
There's stuff you can spray for grass in it, certain chemicals, but most of the time they just hope to cut the weeds out, I guess. The broadleaf, because you can't kill broadleaf with it. Out of alfalfa patch.
Yeah.
So. I'm just curious what the humidity is. I bet it's 48. $44.
44. And you typically want the humidity at what?
Yeah, at least 50. It just cases up at 50, like the hay sticks together better. Oh yeah, that's a little bit loose.
So when it loose, it just means it's a little dry.
Yeah. I kind of, it'll be a little dry.
All right, guys. So Levi just finished with his field, about 50 acres. And thank you so much, Levi, for letting us jump in the cab with you and you show us this 569 round baler. And guys, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, make sure you leave it below. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.